My name is Jay English. I'm the founder of Plain English and had the unique experience of navigating life in a primarily African American and Hispanic neighborhood. Now, at the same time, my mother thought it was a good idea to send me to a private school where I was one of the few chocolate pieces roaming around with a primarily Caucasian student body. So today, I utilize those cross-cultural experiences to inspire people and to continue building bridges to address issues of race and culture. So what's it like to be in one of my sessions? It's a blend of history, storytelling, fact-based evidence, interactive conversations, and actionable takeaways. We're going to tackle tough questions, address myths, and create a space where everyone is encouraged to learn and to grow, as I believe that lasting change can only come from engaging both the heart and the mind. So let's connect, have a conversation, and explore ways we can work together to bring about positive change. I hope to talk to you soon.